Did you know that AI is projected to add $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030? That's more than the GDP of China and India combined. There's no denying it. We're living in the midst of an AI revolution, and it's transforming the investment landscape as we know it. This shift has the potential to bring about unprecedented financial freedom, and I'm excited to dive in and explore the opportunities that lie ahead. As we stand at the forefront of this revolution, many of us are left wondering how to navigate this new world of AI-driven investing. Can we really trust machines to make smart investment decisions? How do we separate the signal from the noise in this rapidly evolving market? These are just a few of the questions that we'll be tackling today. In the following sections, we'll be exploring the ins and outs of AI-powered investing, and I'll be sharing my insights on how to harness the power of AI to achieve financial freedom. But before we dive in, I want to emphasize just how critical it is to stay ahead of the curve when it comes to AI. The truth is, those who adapt quickly to this new landscape will reap the rewards, while those who lag behind risk getting left in the dust. So, buckle up and let's get started on this journey into the exciting world of AI-driven investing. Investors today are faced with a daunting task: how to keep up with the breakneck pace of the AI market. We're seeing new technologies emerge left and right, and it's hard to determine which ones will stick and which ones will fade away. There's a pervasive fear of missing out on lucrative opportunities, and it's easy to get caught up in the hype. But the reality is, investing in AI isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and a deep understanding of the underlying trends and technologies driving this market. We need to cut through the noise and focus on the real innovations that are changing the game. One of the biggest challenges I see investors facing is the sheer amount of data out there. We're talking about terabytes upon terabytes of insights, trends, and analysis. It's enough to make your head spin. And yet, buried deep within this data are the secrets to unlocking extraordinary returns. The question is, how do we extract that value? Another major hurdle is the lack of transparency in the AI market. With so many startups and established players vying for attention, it can be tough to separate the winners from the wannabes. We need to be able to evaluate these companies on their merits, rather than just buying into the hype. Then, of course, there's the issue of trust. Can we really trust AI systems to make smart investment decisions on our behalf? The answer is, it depends. While AI has made tremendous strides in recent years, it's still only as good as the data it's fed. We need to be careful about the inputs we're using and the biases that may be lurking beneath the surface. The truth is, AI investing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one investor may not work for another. We need to be willing to adapt and evolve our strategies as the market changes. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI investing is that it's only for the tech-savvy. But the reality is, anyone can learn to navigate this new landscape. It just takes a willingness to roll up your sleeves and get started. Another common myth is that AI investing is only for the wealthy. But the truth is, you don't need millions of dollars to get started. With the right strategies and the right mindset, anyone can tap into the power of AI to achieve financial freedom. So, what does it take to succeed in this new world of AI-driven investing? In my experience, it comes down to three key things: a deep understanding of the underlying trends and technologies, a willingness to adapt and evolve, and a focus on the long game. Let's take a closer look at some of the AI technologies and trends that are driving the market today. We have machine learning, automation, natural language processing, and computer vision, just to name a few. These technologies are being applied in industries as diverse as healthcare, finance, and logistics. Machine learning, for example, is being used to analyze vast amounts of medical data and identify patterns that human doctors might miss. And automation is revolutionizing the way we approach manufacturing and supply chain management. In the world of finance, AI is being used to predict stock prices and identify hidden investment opportunities. And with the rise of fintech, we're seeing a whole new crop of AI-powered investment platforms emerge. One of the most exciting areas of AI research right now is in the field of explainability. As AI systems become more pervasive, it's becoming increasingly important to understand how they're arriving at their decisions. This is especially critical in high-stakes areas like finance and healthcare. Another area that's gaining traction is in the development of edge AI. This involves deploying AI models directly on devices, rather than relying on cloud-based infrastructure. The implications for IoT and real-time analytics are enormous. In the world of healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical images and identify potential health risks. We're seeing AI-powered chatbots being used to provide personalized patient care, and even AI-driven robots that can assist with surgery. With the rise of autonomous vehicles, we're seeing AI being used to analyze vast amounts of sensor data and make real-time decisions on the road. And in the world of cybersecurity, AI is being used to detect and respond to threats in real time. In logistics, AI is being used to optimize supply chains and streamline operations. We're seeing AI-powered drones being used to deliver packages, and even AI-driven warehouse robots that can pick and pack orders with ease. One of the most compelling success stories I've come across is that of John, a self-taught investor who used AI-based strategies to achieve financial freedom in just a few short years. What's remarkable about John's story is that he didn't come from a technical background. He was simply willing to put in the time and effort to learn about AI and adapt it to his investment approach. John's strategy involved using machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of financial data and identify patterns that human analysts might miss. He combined this with a deep understanding of market trends and a willingness to take calculated risks. The result was a portfolio that consistently outperformed the market and allowed him to retire in his early 40s. What I love about John's story is that it shows just how accessible AI investing can be. You don't need to be a genius or have a PhD in computer science. You just need to be willing to put in the work and stay focused on your goals. As we wrap up today's video, I want to leave you with a sense of excitement and possibility. The AI revolution is transforming the investment landscape, and it's opening up new opportunities for financial freedom that were previously unimaginable. Remember, it's all about embracing the power of AI and being willing to adapt to the changing market. With the right mindset and the right strategies, the possibilities are truly endless. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on AI investing in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on financial strategies and AI-driven investing.